Guys, I just shot a deer. And I'm trying to follow a blood trail. I know he went in here. He ain't bleeding much. Yep, that's blood. Yep, blood. Blood right there. Oh yeah, blood right there. Blood. Yep. Where is he? There's nope. Where'd he go? Is that his tail right there? I think I see him. Yep, that's him right there. Got him. I found him. He's right over here. Heck yeah. Here. He might. Nah, he's dead. He's gone. Lights out. Heck yeah. Let's go. Dang, he's nice. Is he still breathing? Let's check. Check him real fast. Oh no, he's down. Oh yeah, look at that. I don't know if I can show that on YouTube, but I killed him. What's going on, guys? I just got an 8-point buck. He's probably 120 pounds. He's ginormous. But first buck I've actually ever gotten, besides a little tiny button buck. But yeah, this is amazing. Yep, here's my absolute beast. It's huge.